Hello everyone. Today I want to go over a new feature to the Certificate Creator, and that is sharing your own certificates with other members. And so what I'm going to first do, I have a certificate in that I've saved, that I've created. I come over to my saved certificates, click on it, I'm going to open it. So here's one, for most improved player for basketball certificate. And when I publish it, I want to probably take off any names, any school or company, or anything that might identify somebody. So I'm going to come in here and just put in name. You could, just leave it empty. You can remove it. Since I do have it kind of a stylized text, I'm going to put something there. As you can see, empty text member is pretty common in when you add text with the text feature. But I'm just going to put name, and then usually what I'll do is I'll go back in and I want to center it back up to the certificate. And so, well, for this one, there's nothing else identifiable on it. There's no copyrighted images. You do have the ability, and I'll go over this a little bit more when I go through this, but you could theoretically upload, like a company logo, trademarked images for your own certificates that you don't want out there for other people to be using. But this one, pretty clean. Created this with just the all the assets that are available inside the certificate creator. So now I want to publish it. I come over here to share certificate, and we're going to get some guidelines. And first one, upon publishing the certificate, it will no longer be private. All CertificateCreator.com members will have access to use and print the certificate. So once it's up there, it's going to be up there. It's going to be available for everybody in the system to be able to go in, use it, customize it, and print it. And like I was saying earlier, number 2, this certificate is free of any copyright or trademark images and or text. So if you don't own the rights to the images, say you found something that you've purchased, or you found, from a clip art site, it's probably best not to publish and share those certificates. Just keep those ones to yourself. And along those lines, number 3, if it includes any of your own images, and if you do not have the rights to share those, let's just hit cancel. And like I said, remove any names, schools, or companies that's identifiable before publishing, which we did. So now come in and I hit agree. And I'm going to it's going to use the name, what I saved it as in my own certificates. And that's fine. You can change it. And so this is a sports. And so we have our main categories that each certificate kind of will fall under. These are like our pre-built ones. You can have multiple, but for this particular one we're going to say sports. And I'm also going to give it some keywords. These are searchable as well, and I got some. Save me some time of typing things out. Everything is comma separated for each keyword. So this one's going to produce, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 keywords. And once I kind of got it all ready, I hit OK. And then we get notified once it's there. Now if I come up and go to open, and scroll down, I see most improved player. And we notice it has like a different symbol. We have, most of them have the little certificate creator logo. Those are the ones that are in the system created by, the certificate creator itself. And this, I'm actually logged in as a different user, not as a quote unquote admin certificate creator user. So I get, since it's one of my own published and shared certificates, I have just a single user type icon. If it is a user created certificate by someone else, it will have like this multiple people. So you can identify the ones that you've created compared to ones that other people have created compared to ones that that we create. So, and we can kind of come back and we can see it. There it is. And it's still in my saved certificates as well. So this is the version that only I can see. And as you can see, it still, didn't overwrite or do any changes to my personal copy. So there you go. That is the new feature to share certificates. It'll be interesting to see what all everybody can kind of come up with, and I'm looking forward to it. Can't wait. Thanks.